I'll know all the love like these. You are the treasure that I have. In you I'm truly satisfied. Jesus, you're my everything. You're the light that shines through. You are the treasure that I have. In you I'm truly satisfied. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, the Jesus that I know. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, the Jesus that I love for. This Jesus that I love.
Alright, so first you need to know that the song is on the key of A, and a scale in particular is the A major scale. And the song composition is ABA, which means stanza, chorus, stanza. So I will still talk about music composition structure in my video. If you keep following, you are going to learn that soon. So the intro starts with the melody on the right hand. So this is it here on the key of A. So the melody is this. The first time, then the second time I just harmonize the ending. So the second time is this. You see that? So you have to be quick. So and then chord 5 and then back to this. Then the left hand is very easy, just root an octave, descending 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. Easy. So if you play together, so you're starting with the power chord on the left hand. See that? And then 1. That's the first time. The second time. Sorry about that, my video recorder is glitching there. So that's the intro. So let's go to the first stanza. The chord you have for the first stanza, chord 4. If you like, you can do the added ninth. So chord 4, chord 5, and 1. You have it again, chord 4, chord 5, and 1. Then the third time becomes chord 4, chord 5, then chord 6, 3 to 4, then 5, and back to 1. That's the whole thing. So you can try to do the added 7th, added 9, but I use more of added 9 because I felt it's very calm and I put it in between the chords, so not outside. So the added 9th of F is this. You can also do chord 5 like that. And back to 1. You can play your 1 this way, or you play this way, or which other way shape you can do it, or you can even play this way. But I just play this because I felt this rising melody in the chord. So 4 added 9, 5 chord 5 added 9. I can see I'm just playing only the roots, which you can do together. I'm only playing only the roots on my left hand and back to 1. So that's the first stanza. Then when you get to the chorus, which is Oluwatosin, you are going from 4. So instead of me playing just a single, I go to the bass so that I can have a fuller tune there. Let it be broad. So you're having 4, 5, 6, then you're having 7. You can decide to just play 5, or if you play the actual 7, it's diminished, so it sounds a bit weird though. So it's better you just play 5. So this is just your chord 5. We just invert the roots instead of me playing this. I play the third note of 5, which is the G sharp key or A flat key at my root to give me that 7 there. Right, then you're going to 4, then 5 and 1. That's all. So Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, then the Jesus that is enough for me. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, the Jesus that is enough for me. So like I said earlier, that the loop I use at the intro is not the exact one the composer uses. So if you want to play, you can definitely get the exact loop and use it for your playing. So all together, if you play it with the loop, the intro, then the song starts 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1. The third time, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 1. Chorus. Oluwatosin. 4, 5, 6. The G7 or chord 5 inverted, you rearrange. 4 and the 5. Not for me. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, the Jesus that is enough for me. So you can eventually just use any inversion you want. Then if we want to do that on the key of C, let me just go to the key of C. It's still the same thing. You can approach that. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, the Jesus that I have is enough for me. So you can just apply the same chord progression on that key in the new key you feel comfortable singing on. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, and share with someone who might need it. See you in my next video.